Welcome all to a new enlightening video where we shed light on global political events. Today we take a glance at a significant development in Pakistan's political arena. Recently, the country faced a major obstacle to their February 8th elections, an obstacle that has been largely removed thanks to the intervention of the higher judiciary. The Supreme Court of Pakistan played a pivotal role, suspending orders that had previously halted the election process. A major hurdle crossed indeed, paving the way for the country's political progress. But what does this mean for the election process? Let's dive deeper. The Supreme Court, a beacon of hope in these uncertain times, steps in. The court's intervention in the political landscape of Pakistan has been a game changer, a force that has helped to overcome the major obstacles standing in the way of the February 8th elections. When the Lahore High Court attempted to halt the election process, the Supreme Court stepped in, suspending the order and reopening the path to the polls. Similarly, when the Balochistan High Court raised objections to delimitations, the Supreme Court was there again, setting aside the order and ensuring the election process could move forward. The acting Chief Justice played a pivotal role in these decisions, emphasizing the crucial importance of allowing the elections to take place. His voice echoed in the halls of justice, a resounding reminder of the democratic principles that underpin the nation. He stressed that while concerns about gerrymandering are valid, they should not be used as a means to indefinitely delay the election process. The Supreme Court's actions, therefore, have not only ensured the continuity of the democratic process, but also upheld the spirit of fair play and justice. Their intervention has eliminated the threat of delayed polls, a significant hurdle in the path of democracy. So the path to the polls has been cleared. But what about the parties vying for power? In any election, the political parties are the key players. So how does this decision affect them? The recent judicial intervention has ushered in a sense of relief for political parties, especially for the PTI, which has been grappling with significant operational hurdles. Now, with the path cleared, the parties find themselves on an open field, ready to start the race towards the February 8th polls. But this election is not merely a race. It's an opportunity for these parties to connect with the people of Pakistan, to inform them of their programs, their plans to address the nation's problems. It's a chance for these parties to engage voters through various means, to hear their concerns, to understand their aspirations, and to mold their policies accordingly. In the grand scheme of things, parties are not just political entities. They are representatives of the people's will, the vessels through which the citizens can voice their needs, their wants, their hopes for a better future. So it is of utmost importance that these parties are given the freedom to campaign, to communicate their ideologies and plans without any hindrance. But as we move towards the election, it's not just about the parties' efforts. The responsibility also falls upon the voters to inform themselves, to understand the parties' agendas, to make an informed decision about who they believe can lead their nation towards prosperity. The stage is set for a potentially transformative election, but the question remains, will it be a fair one? The threat of delayed polls has been eliminated, but the question of fairness remains. This phrase echoes in our minds as we ponder the unfolding political landscape. Gerrymandering, a term that stirs up heated debates, is a concern that cannot be brushed under the carpet. It's the practice of manipulating boundaries to favor a particular party, and it's a potential threat to the democratic fabric of any nation. In the context of the upcoming elections, the concerns about gerrymandering are valid. However, they should not serve as a tool to indefinitely delay the electoral process. The essence of democracy lies in the freedom and transparency of its electoral processes. It's a platform where every citizen has the right to voice their opinion and every political party has the right to campaign openly. For Pakistan, this election is not just about selecting a new government. It's about addressing the nation's issues and engaging with voters through various means. It's about giving every political party an open field to campaign and inform the people of their programs. A free and transparent election is necessary to bring about positive change. It's a chance to cross the hurdle of unfairness and stride towards a fair and transformative election. Only time will tell if this hurdle crossed leads to a fair and transformative election. So there we have it, a significant hurdle crossed in Pakistan's political landscape. The Supreme Court's intervention has ensured the upcoming elections will proceed, emphasizing the importance of democratic processes. Despite the struggles faced by political parties, particularly the PTI, the commitment to engage with voters and address the nation's issues remains strong. However, the question of fairness still lingers, highlighting the need for a transparent and equal playing field for all parties. We hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more enlightening content. Until then, keep questioning, keep learning.